Okay. And, so, it's okay. And that's, so,
Okay, all right.
All right, so now we need the...
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, dude.
Okay.
I think.
That's what I was hoping for. And finally... Oh. Oh, kill me with it. All right. Here's what you don't know. Everything that I just did, you cannot do for the next person. You got to think of a new way to do the occupation, location, and the object. Okay?
Gotcha.
Send in the next person. Tegan. I feel so bad for you right now.
Oh, what did you
All
get?
right. Wait, hold on. Wait a second. Just wait a second. Occupation, location, object. If you know what the first two is, clap your hands so we can move on to the next one, okay? If you know what the object is, kill him with it. Go.
Stop!
Just want to know there's a 45-minute time limit on this.
Yeah.
Clap when you know it. There you go. All right. Location. Okay. And finally, the object.
All right.
Ah, good. Kill him with it. All right. Very well done. All right. Send him the next person. Now, Tegan, you can't do the motions that he did. You got to come up with new ones. Hi, Tom.
All right.
All right. Are we at the end of the thing? All right.
Last.
So, Tom, let's see if you can get the occupation. You can make noise. All right, he knows what it is. Oh. Next, location. All right. That's what I was hoping for. Okay. Good. And finally, the objects. That's really good.
I just want to keep him doing it.
Oh, come on. You can't make him do that again. Could be anything. You gotta kill him with it. You know what it is. I'll kill him with it. Oh, horrific death. All right, ladies ladies and gentlemen, what we will do now is go backwards. So, Tom, you'd be the first person, so please, he clearly knows what the occupation is, which is...
He is a Chinese laundryman.
Ah! No.
No.
Nope. All right, what is the location?
Okay, I'm thinking end zone at Foxborough Stadium.
Very close, but so far away. And finally, what was the object?
He was trying to get his rocks off. It was a rock. No. Was I close?
No.
No?
Thanks,
Alrighty. All right, we're 0 for 3. Tegan.
Well, it was pretty obvious that James was working in the manufacturing line of, with a conveyor belt of stuff that he had to, keep on.
No. All right. And what about the location?
The desert. Sahara.
No.
Desert.
Getting closer, but no. So you got to say it exactly. So, getting closer, but no. And the object?
Rock.
No. All right.
Really? People said it was rock? What did you do to me?
All right.
All right. It's all up to you now. Occupation.
Oh God. I think you were. I don't know why, but I think you were an espresso machine technician for some reason.
Yes. No. No. I was
Thinking out of the box here.
I was an undertaker.
That
was a dead body that I was. Can't really get. Starbucks might have something like that.
Looked like you were making a macchiato.
What the hell was that?
I thought you worked in a manufacturing plant.
Also,
You should have seen what he gave you. He was going, ha!
also a fun part of the game. What the hell was this?
The location has to be a desert island.
Yeah!
I was attacked this time. I was attacked.
All right. What a coincidence. That's what I was doing for the object. What is the object, James?
The object would be a pair of scissors.
Yes! All right, so we got 2 out of 3.
Scissors.
2 out of 3, and that is Chainsaw Death.
Rock, paper,
Fun game to play at home.
I thought rock.
You sucked!
All right.